modeling. What do you think we're doing?
Full attention, Tramp Tramp.
It's Girlhood.
I'm f***ing nervous.
Crazy, sexy, cool.
I love Ramp Tramp. Come on.
I cannot hear you guys at all.
We are in Bondi, at Bondi Pavilion for Tramp Tramp.
I'm at the Tramp Tramp show. I don't know what to say. Can we do that again?
I'm gonna wing it. Disassociate.
I think you should just look ahead and just... Do you want mouth closed?
I'm scared.
Anywhere I walk, I'm practicing my runway.
We always dreamed of doing something like this.
First time I've ever done anything like this.
But like, in my head, I'm gonna be sexy.
I made a deal with the devil. He said you either live as you are now or you have your arm broken, but you get to spend the rest of your life in Ramp Tramp Tramp Stamp.
Period.
And you know what I chose?
Once you're in, you can be a little bit more...
Do you love your outfit? Yeah. Don't watch my hair and my makeup.
Harriet might say, no, I hate the belt. Get rid of the belt.
I think it's better without it.
Okay, great. Yeah, I'm not sold by it. Ditching the belt.
Bye.
This isn't The Last of Us.